Hello, what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial we're going to discuss that how to fix the repost option not showing up in TikTok. So if I go to my TikTok app, and once the TikTok app is open, now what we're going to do is we're going to go to my profile, and once I'm on profile I'm going to go to my click on the setting options and go to setting and privacy, and after what I got to do is go to privacy. Now here you will see that there is no option showing regarding repost, so how to get the option back. So to get started, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to make sure that you are running the latest version of TikTok. Go to App Store and Google Play Store and simply go to TikTok and see that you are running the latest version of TikTok. If there is an update available, this open button will show up as update button. Okay, once you make that show, now what you're going to do is go to your TikTok, and after that what you can do is you can simply go to clean up spaces and clear the cache and the downloads. Once you clean up these options, then you gotta restart the app, and after restarting the app you'll have to check that whether the option is back here or not. Now the third option, what to do if these two doesn't work, what you're gonna do is log in with another account. With another account, simply add that account, log into it with a feature on it, and go to privacy, and if that's showing up, now what you're gonna do is log in back into your account. Then the option will show up, certainly. If that isn't showing up, what you're going to do is long press your app, go to app info. You can go to that from the setting, basically the app manager, and after that what you're going to do is go clear data and clear old data. It'll basically reset the app. After the hard reset, now you can check if that feature is showing up or not. If all of these doesn't work, now the only option that you're left with is basically what you're going to do is you're going to report the problem. To report a problem, you will have to scroll down and you'll find support and about. Click on report a problem, and after that it'll load up. Basically this is an internet web page, so yeah, it loads up within the app. Now what you're going to do is you can hear, and now once you're here what you're going to do is go to the end of this window and you'll find an option called submit a report. Click on this, and after that it'll take some time to load it up, and here you can just also include the screenshot of the feature missing here, and just tell them that that feature of the repost isn't showing up in your setting menu that you want to see in your setting privacy menu, and this way you can fix this option or this glitch. I hope you found this video helpful and you got the answer of what you were looking for, and yeah, if you did, please drop a like and comment if you have any question regarding this, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.